Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia. If you're new here, if not, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, if not, welcome back. Okay, I'm gonna try a high ponytail. I have been debating on it and I think everything just kind of fell into place. One, I had to get my hair straightened and cut, so my hair is actually straight now. And then two, if you watch Married to Medicine, I'm a fan. At the reunion show, Toya and Simone had a high ponytail. And it was in that moment when I was like, yep, I'm gonna try a high ponytail. So here we are. This is my first time trying it. I saw a couple of YouTube videos on it and now I'm just gonna try to twerk it to make it, not twerk it, wow. I'm going to try to flip it to try to make it my own. So I got some okay, so I got some Cream of Nature Edge Control. I've got some rubber bands. And then I've got some I've got, this is Vogue hair. It's 100% virgin human hair. And then it's like in the natural color because it's human hair. And I got it in the 28-inch. I got two long ones, and I bought 2 bundles. So it looks, I think I probably could have got away with 1 bundle, but I kind of wanted it to be like a really thick ponytail, so I got 2 bundles. So let's just see how this works out. I've got my hair laying down. That's just because when I go to wrap the hair around, I don't want it to get messed up. I did braid this, and then I've got rubber bands along my braid, and that's just because when I get ready to put the hair in, I'm going to be installing it with bobby pins, and so this is just going to be easier for the bobby pins to get attached to my braid. So that's what I'm doing. I've got bobby pin at the end, and then 1, 2, 3 bobby pins on the actual braid that I will be using to do the bobby pins when I go in to add the weave. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. Alright, so I'm wrapping my hair around. I've got to the first rubber band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another bobby pin, insert it in there, and then just kind of stick it up towards the top of my head. I'm just going to take that bobby pin right there and then just stick it in there. And then the rubber band just basically makes sure it's nice and secure because my hair is straightened. It is a little silkier, so this just makes sure that the bobby pin keeps the hair in place. And then I'm just wrapping around my braid I probably could have only did one pack of hair, but I'm wrapping it really, really tight and really, really close together because I really want a nice thick ponytail. So this is only, I'm making sure that I'm only doing like half of my head. So now we've got this is one pack of hair. And like I said, I did about like half of my braids. So now I'm just gonna take the other pack of hair and do the rest. All right, and then I'm just going to take a little bit of the hair, like that much, and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail so that you can't see the weave track.